In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Klaviyo on Shopify. If you're looking to seamlessly integrate Klaviyo's powerful email marketing capabilities with your Shopify store, you've come to the right place. Let's dive right in and get everything set up so you can start leveraging this fantastic tool for your e-commerce business. First things first, you'll want to be logged into your Shopify account and on your Shopify homepage. This is where we will begin our integration process. Once you're there, take a look at the left-hand sidebar. You'll notice a section dedicated to apps, which is exactly where we want to focus our attention. Now, locate the Add button below the Apps section. This is your gateway to exploring and installing new applications that can enhance your store's functionality. Click on this Add button to proceed. This will take you to the App Store where you can find and select various applications for your Shopify store. Once you've clicked Add, you need to search for Klaviyo within the App Store. Klaviyo is a standout choice for email marketing and can greatly enhance your ability to connect with customers through personalized email campaigns. When you see Klaviyo in the list of options, go ahead and click on it to learn more about what it offers and initiate the installation process. Upon clicking on Klaviyo, you'll be directed to its dedicated app page. Here, you'll find detailed information about its features, reviews, and how it can benefit your business. When you're ready, look for the Install button. This button is your ticket to integrating Klaviyo with your Shopify store. Click on Install, and you will be prompted to follow a series of instructions and requirements to complete the installation. During the installation process, you'll be guided through setting up permissions and linking Klaviyo to your store. This may involve signing into your Klaviyo account or creating one if you haven't already. Ensure that you follow each step carefully, as this will ensure that the integration is successful and fully operational. Once you've completed the installation prompts, you're all set. Klaviyo is now connected to your Shopify store, and you're ready to start creating and sending out email campaigns. This integration allows you to gather valuable insights about your customers and tailor your marketing efforts to match their preferences and behaviors. That's it! You've successfully set up Klaviyo on Shopify. With this integration, you can now take your email marketing strategy to the next level, helping you engage with customers and drive sales more effectively. Thank you for watching, and happy emailing with Klaviyo!